Hi, good day everyone and to the lecturers. I am Nadzmi and metric is CE200147. Want present to you about lab 3, and this is what I'm doing in lab 3.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Shafurah, AE190126 from Group 2. For Lab 3, I will show you on how to do the instruction number 3, 4 and 5.
Greetings to Doctor. My name is Wong Sy Hui, matrix number AE190146.
So now I'll continue for the rest of the steps after the fillet action. So basically now we need to create a hole on the top part of the model. We will be using the hole wizard to create the top circular hole in order to complete the sliding jaw object for the next lap. So by making sure the settings for the hole specification is following the lap sheet, we will be dragging the circle at the center of the top of the model in order to create the hole. Here we can see that the hole is made, and that's the final model of the part for this lap. So in order to look for the information for the mesh properties, we need to go for evaluate and click on the mesh properties option in order to generate and get the results. After that, we will be saving this file and then open the drawing sheet for this part. Just like the previous lab, we will be clicking the standard tree view to get the three drawing views of the part that we have created for the lab tree. Then in order to display the dimensions of the part, we will be selecting model item, which will show the measurements of the part in the graphic area. Later on, in order to look it more clearly, we will be arranging the dimensions accordingly. Later on, we can also view the part in trimetric, where we can select the model view and then click on the trimetric and then drag our mouse to the graphic area, which will paste the drawing view of the part in the drawing sheet. Then we can also click on the edit sheet format in order to insert the titles and then adjust on the font and size of the notes before we finalize the drawing sheet of the lab 3 part. That is the end of the laboratory 3. That's all from me. Thank you.